Welcome to Rosie's Recess.
Oh, you gotta go
And there's chocolate over here, so there's big chocolate, small chocolate in a tray.
Hey guys, James here with Rosie's Recess. Doing a quick introduction before Rosie takes it away. This is my mom, Lisa, affectionately known as Mama Sama. And Lisa owns Sama Chocolatier. She's been in business for over 30 years. And Rosie and my mom are going to be doing a very fun chocolate video today. So enjoy, and I'll see you soon.
Hi guys, welcome to Rosie's Recess. Today we're gonna make chocolate.
So, Rosie, we're gonna do a couple of things today. And we're gonna start with making a huge peanut butter pie. These are the molds we're gonna use. Okay? And I have paintbrushes for you. And we're gonna melt some chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna start with milk, because I think you like milk best.
I love milk chocolate.
Yay! Alright, so this is the type of chocolate we can just heat in the microwave for it to melt. So, you ready? Okay.
Let's check.
Let's check. Okay, Rosie, give it a stir. I think a little bit more. What do you think?
I think more.
Alright. So we're going to set it for another 22 seconds, Rosie. And then we're going to check it again.
Okay.
You're being really good holding that spoon.
I licked some of it.
Because we're making it for ourselves. So you can lick your... You can lick... If we were making it for someone else, we might not lick it, right? Oh, I think this is great. Wait till you see. What do you think?
I think it's great.
Dip yours just like you're painting a picture, Rosie, and we're going to cover all the clear plastic with chocolate. So now what we do with chocolate is we want to freeze it a little bit so it dries. And we're going to
Peanut butter.
put this aside. So now what we're going to do, Rosie,
Put more chocolate.
done. All right. Now you know what we're going to do? We're going to place it in the freezer. You know what we're going to do next?
What?
We're going to make some candy bars. Have you ever made candy bars?
Never.
Oh, these are the candy bar molds.
Because they look just like candy bars.
Just like candy bars. So I thought maybe we'd make 3 or 4. What do you think?
3. I like white chocolate and I like chocolate.
Oh. We're doing that.
Yum! This looks yummy already done.
Feel the bottom, sweetie. How do you feel?
It's freezing.
So you know what that means?
It's ready.
They're ready. What do you think?
Yum! This is delicious.
All right. So we have one in a bag. Look at that.
Hi Rosie. Hi Mom.
Hey, James.
What'd you guys make? Oh, that looks so
We
good.
made peanut butter cups and candy cups.
These are huge peanut butter cups. And here, I think Lil wants some too. Well, thank you guys for letting me try all of this.
You're welcome.
And you guys make sure to like and subscribe to Rosie's channel, and I'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.